I'm sorry, that's a very rubbish question to ask, really. It's a very rubbish question to ask. And you should really mind what you ask, sir. Seriously. हाँ, फिर भी जो आप पूछते हैं वो आप थोड़ा तमीज़ में रह के पूछिए. आप कैसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? आपने कैसे पूछा?
ये बीइंग ह्यूमन साइकिल के लॉन्च के ऊपर आप चले गए ट्यूबलाइट के ऊपर, उसके बाद मैनेजमेंट कंपनी आप मैनेज करेंगे मेरा काम.
How do you react to things when they are said when people say that you consider yourself a Hollywood star, hence you snub an Indian Film Award?
Does every actor do every award every year? How many other actors have not gone for this award? Did you ask them that question?
Things were written about you.
It's my birthday, man. That's all it was. Don't overthink it. Don't.
Thank you.
You shut up, man. You shut up, man. Huh? What? All right? You shut up, man. Huh? What? I think they are bullshit. Thank you. All right? Enough? Yeah, because I ignored your question. You're going to keep asking this question. What am I going to do? No comments, bro. Is that better? Okay? All right? Take care. Come.
क्या बताओ? कल कहाँ? क्या परसों कहाँ? क्या बताओ? What are you doing tomorrow night at home?
I'm going to avoid answering this question because one of your colleagues has misquoted me last time and I'm really upset about that, so I'm going to avoid answering that question.
And I will fight till my last breath to preserve the freedom of free thought. This is the land of Buddha. This is the land of Gandhi. And I dare anybody who can stop me from doing that. That's all I have to say. Thank you, my friend.
कोई उल्टे सीधे सवाल जिसने कहीं पूछे तो आप जानते हैं मैं कैसा हूँ.
I don't think he misbehaved. I don't think he misbehaved at all. Well, just the other day, I was coming up from the airport. One journalist, kept her mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I had to look at her and said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick, your young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of him. What if he falls?" This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Where's my parents? Where's my parents? My family, my friends, especially my mother, Helen auntie, my dad. We're young people, you can do this with us. Don't do this because you will not like this if I do it in front of you. Your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other and no one's getting any bite, no one's getting any statement. So if my brother at that point in time is concerned for my father, he's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why are you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े जा रहे हो to get your mics in front. You have the decorum, no? We all stand. Who doesn't stand? Who does not talk to people here? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not?
I didn't say that. Did I say that? I said extremist elements.
1 second. I think
first.
Just a minute, sir.
First, 1 sec. Listen. First, do not talk to me like that. I do not appreciate it. Okay? Come over here. Let me see your face and have a normal conversation. Do not get into this.
Sir, I think let's not take few words from lines. I think let's just a minute, sir.
Why are you screaming like that?
Just a minute.
Why are you screaming like that?
1 second. Sir, can you please name yourself?
Calm down.
Right.
Pani pijiye.
So, 1 second. I'd like to just defend you on one part. 1 second, sir. I don't know what your
idea is on this. Just a minute. Calm down. Please calm down.
If you make this discourse a little more civil, then I'm ready to talk to you. If you're going to be screaming and shouting and frothing at the mouth, I'm not going to get into this discussion.
अरे वाह कहानी तू इतना कितना सुने
आप क्या बोल
बैशिंग मिली है शाहरुख के एक बयान पे बहुत पॉलिटिकल बैशिंग मिली है
we are coming for मामी ना we are coming for मामी ना
मामी आया ना मामी की बात करना
मामी की बात करो ना this is not the forum for all those kind of things. If I'm doing one-on-one with you, if you give me time for this, then I can speak to you on that. अब मैं कुछ बोलूँगा आप कुछ समझोगे कुछ लिखोगे कोई और कुछ उठा लेगा. Why you want to do all that stuff? Why do you want me to sponsor your channel and stuff like that? Let it be ना थोड़ा सा ये डल फेस चलने दो थोड़ा सा. I'll give you that मौका आगे फिर से. But right now just go through the dull phase right now. Don't go back to मामी माँ आणि मी.
हाँ तो सर ये भी करेंगे ना. बाबा और कीकू को प्रोड्यूसर्स बॉडी के सामने बुलाएंगे. हमारे यहाँ JDAC होगी. Nobody is above the law. बाबा हो बाबी की बाबी हो. And I'm not being funny. The point is that there is nobody above the law. You have ransacked somebody from our organization. It could happen to anybody. आप बताइए आप किसी चैनल के लिए काम करते कल आपको उठा के ले गए कश्मीर के टेररिस्ट. कौन साथ दे रहा है आपका? जी टीवी ने क्या स्टांस लिया था इसके लिए? जी का स्पूफ किया था. कपिल जिसका वो शो नहीं कर रहा था उस दौरान ये स्पूफ जी के लिए हुआ था. कपिल ने जितना उसका इन्फ्लुएंस था उसने किया. See whatever could happen we did. But the point is that ये सवाल पूछना ना आप लोग ने क्या किया ये गलत है. मतलब it's so easy ना. That's a very typical media question which I don't appreciate because media you are a part of us, we are a part of you. You agree with me? That's what I want to say.
There with the Pinga song, there is a lot of comparison being drawn to Dolare. What would you like to say on that?
देखा कैसे एन वक्त पे उड़न छू.
Okay. I understand. Very.
है कहाँ है? Voice of God.
I understand.
Big Boss. हाँ बोलो डोला रे डोला बोलो.
No, I think कि दोनों बहुत अलग situations हैं और दोनों बहुत अलग scenarios हैं.
Right is Ali and Shahid, on the left is Zoya. Ekta sits behind me. They are the people who are the future, who dream larger dreams than we dreamt. All our talk of growth and progress is poppycock if the perfume of freedom which the founding fathers gifted to us is taken away. Do you want to make India into a Saudi Arabia where there's opulence, wealth, but not the most prized asset, the right to free thinking? A society that does not respect free thought sows the seeds of its own destruction. And this is what is happening. I come here to stand shoulder to shoulder with the filmmakers and for my fraternity, and I'm very glad that such a mighty turnout is here. Because I think it's tragic that one of us, Prahlad Nilani, till yesterday fought shoulder to shoulder with me against the laws of the censorship which impinged us. It is tragic that one of us goes and becomes the toady of some powers which want to muzzle us. Nothing has changed. Nothing. In 73, my film was stopped. It was the emergency time. Today, it is tragic that as we inch towards release day, where the stars have gone out of the way and created a film which kind of holds the mirror, which shames our Indian society about the drug menace, is being strangulated. I think every freedom-loving individual must stand up and articulate his anger against this practice that's going on here in Bollywood. I feel the day is not far that if we keep silence, we would not be allowed to make films that look beyond the inane films that we made way back in time when all our narratives were reduced to just a boy meets girl story and they lived happily ever after. So I stand here to appeal to you to articulate our message, because this is not the industry problem at all. This is a problem of our country. And I think, as Dr. Ambedkar said, that freedom is a plant that we need to water individually every day. It's not guaranteed to us when we were born as a nation. This generation now, we all need to give our contribution to preserve this freedom, and that's what we are doing.
भाईजान, मेरा आपसे एक और सवाल है प्लीज। आपकी एक टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी भी आ रही है, उसके बारे में कुछ स्टेटस आप बताना चाहें, और विच टैलेंट विल यू बी फोकसिंग ऑन? विल इट बी?
अभी कुछ नहीं सर पाजी ज़्यादा मत उड़ो आप प्लीज़, थोड़ा सा इसी के ऊपर है ना अपन यहाँ पर कहाँ पे ये बीइंग ह्यूमन साइकिल के लॉन्च के ऊपर आप चले गए ट्यूबलाइट के ऊपर, उसके बाद मैनेजमेंट कंपनी आप मैनेज करेंगे मेरा काम।
How do you react to things when they are said, when people say that you consider yourself a Hollywood star, hence you snub an Indian Film Award?
Does every actor do every award every year? How many other actors have not gone for this award? Did you ask them that question?
Things were written about you.
It's my birthday, man. That's all it was. Don't overthink it. Don't.
Thank you.
प्रेग्नेंट औरत क्या एक्शन करेगी? नहीं, कोई एक्शन नहीं है। I'm sorry, that's a very rubbish question to ask. Really, it's a very rubbish question to ask. And you should really mind what you ask, sir. Seriously. हाँ, फिर भी जो आप पूछते हैं वो आप थोड़ा तमीज़ में रह के पूछिए। आप कैसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? आपने कैसे पूछा?
Because it is a sensitive thing, so you need to be very, very. Ma'am, can you at least allow me some time to? That's exactly what I'm saying. But let me finish. But it was not a personal question that you should be ducking. So ma'am, we got your question. All right, we got your question now. But to say yes, condemn, or no, condemn, you need to be responsible enough to know the facts related to it. So you don't know about this hanging the
Maybe we haven't read enough to be able to give a proper answer.
Why is it so wrong? Should I ask you like few questions? Would you answer all the questions? Should I ask you like questions about national interest? Would you know all the answers? So there is nowhere written that a public figure should know everything about. I don't know why you're turning it into a personal banter between.
No, but let's. Yes. No, we.
All right. Any other questions?
Radhika, you have been quite successful in your career, but you know, a kind of controversy being created before release of the film, or kind of role you accept, is it necessary to become controversial or being bold for becoming successful?
My friend, you're sorry, but your question is very ridiculous. Controversies are made by people like you. You saw the clip. You shared it with other people. You are the person that controversies are made out of. I'm an artist. If I'm required to do a certain job, I will do it. If you get out of your cocoon and look at the world cinema and look at what people are doing abroad and what people are successfully doing and are not ashamed of their own bodies, you will probably not ask me this question. People who are ashamed of their own bodies have curiosities about other bodies. So if you want to see a naked body tomorrow, look at yourself in the mirror or yourself rather than my clip. And then we can talk about this. Is that clear?
Radhika, I apologize from my side if you feel hurt.
I feel hurt. Sweetheart, you need to get over yourself. You'll get over it.
No, the thing is, Radhika, I apologize from my side if you feel hurt.
I feel hurt. Sweetheart, you need to get over yourself. You'll get over it.